गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल। यस्टरडे हमने जो क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किए थे वो हॉर्नबिल की जो ओल्ड बुक थी उसके अंदर प्रिंटेड थे। अब नई एनसीईआरटी बुक आ गई है और क्वेश्चंस को भी थोड़ा चेंज कर दिया गया है। तो आज हम जो क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस कर रहे हैं वही आपको फेयर नोटबुक में करने हैं। देर आर मेनली 5 क्वेश्चंस इन दिस लेसन। अंडरस्टैंडिंग द टेक्स्ट जो है उसके 5 क्वेश्चंस को आपको कंप्लीट करना है। लिसन द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द 3 phases of the author's relationship with his grandmother before he left the country to study abroad। जब ऑथर फर्दर स्टडी के लिए अब्रोड गए उससे पहले उसके और उसकी दादी के बीच के रिलेशनशिप के 3 डिफरेंट फेज को हमें एक्सप्लेन करना है। फर्स्ट फेज at the village, there was a good understanding between the author and his grandmother. His grandmother was very helpful to him. She used to bath him and wake him up in the morning every day and get him ready for every day. She also arranged all the things that were needed in the school. Second phase, at the city, when the author's parents comfortably were settled at city, they sent for the author and his grandmother. It was the turning point in their friendship. The author started to go to an English medium school. Now the grandmother was not able to help the author with his lessons and she did not go with him to the school. This was the second phase at the city. Third phase, when the author went to university. When the author went to the university, a separate room was given to him. The common link of friendship was snapped. The grandmother accepted it without any objection. She rarely left her spinning wheel and she was completely lost in prayer. ये जो 3 phase है. Now question number 2. 3 reasons why the author's grandmother was disturbed when he started going to the city school। जब वो सिटी स्कूल में जाने लगा तो उसकी ग्रैंडमदर वेरी डिस्टर्ब थी। तो उसके 3 रीजंस हमें एक्सप्लेन करने हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, द ग्रैंडमदर वाज वेरी डिस्टर्ब अबाउट द सिटी स्कूल बिकॉज देयर वाज नो टीचिंग अबाउट गॉड एंड स्क्रिप्चर देयर। शी डिड नॉट बिलीव इन द थिंग्स that were being taught in the school. The grandmother was not able to help the author with his lesson. One day, when the author announced that the music lessons would be given to them, she was very disturbed because to her music had a left association. It was the monopoly of harlots and beggars and not for gentle folk. Third question. 3 ways in which the author's grandmother spent her days after he grew up। जब वो ऑथर बड़ा हो गया तो कैसे सिटी में दादी माँ अपने टाइम को स्पेंड करती थी, उसके 3 डिफरेंट वेज बताने हैं। द ग्रैंडमदर वॉज ए वेरी रिलीजियस लेडी। शी स्पेंट हर मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इन प्रेयर। हर फिंगर्स वर ऑलवेज बिजी इन टेलिंग बीट्स। शी रेयरली लेफ्ट हर स्पिनिंग व्हील। From sunrise to sunset, she sat there. In the afternoon, she relaxed for a while for feeding the sparrows. It was the happiest half an hour of the day for her. Fourth question, the odd way in which the author's grandmother behaved just before she died. Just before she died, उसने कैसा strange behavior show किया। The author's grandmother did not pray that evening. She collected the women of neighborhood, got an old drum and started to sing. The theme of the song was homecoming of warrior and she told all the members that her end had come when she was taken ill. Last question, the way in which the sparrows expressed their sorrow when the author's grandmother died। स्पैरोज ने अपने सैडनेस को कैसे एक्सप्रेस किया जब दादी का डेथ हो गया, when the grandmother died, thousands of sparrows collected round her dead body, and when there was no chirping that day, when the author's mother threw the breadcrumbs to them, they did not take any notice to them, and after a while they flew away quietly. In this way, the sparrows paid their tribute to grandmother. Okay, these 5 questions you will have to do in your fair notebook. That's all for today.